Okay, welcome to my channel, and we are at Andaman Explorer now, and this is the cruise that we are on to. This cruise has 3 docking. We actually are at number second docking. I think they have about 12 bedroom or 12 cabin. My cabin is number 4. Okay, let's check it out what is inside. Okay, there's a sitting area here, and then there's a desk and a mirror, and they also provide us some water and water container, and it's also a light table lamp. And next to the living sitting area, there's a toilet here, and a shower, and also a wastafel. It's all very nice and neat and very luxurious. And next is a sleeping cabin. Well, this is my snorkeling equipment later, and the sleeping cabin is here, and there's a window facing into the ocean, and the sleeping cabin also has a desk and there's water and some of my books for me to read later, called Mau Kalholi, Manigasiho, and Ser Sauduran, and that will be very nice for me to try to reading it later. And this is the wardrobe. Well, and it's so amazing. And then we're going to stay here for about a week or 7 nights, and hopefully the journey will be amazing as we checking in into this Andaman Explorer. And that's all, and thank you very much.